The Study Gourmet, cooking up success with culinary study techniques. Hello, studying machine, fellow foodies and knowledge seekers. Have you ever considered that the secret ingredients to your study success might actually be found in the kitchen? That's right. The meticulous art of cooking and the savory strategies behind preparing a mouth-watering dish can also be the perfect recipe for acing your exams. So, tie on your apron, sharpen your pencils and knives, and let's start cooking up some delicious grades. Mise en place, the art of preparation. In the culinary world, mise en place is the practice of arranging and organizing ingredients before cooking begins. Let's apply this to studying by organizing your study materials, setting up your workspace, and planning your study sessions ahead of time. Just as chefs prep their ingredients, you'll prep your notes, textbooks, and resources, ensuring everything is at your fingertips when the cooking, studying, begins. Slow cooking, mastering the art of deep learning. Ever noticed how some dishes require slow cooking to bring out the flavors? Similarly, some study topics need time to simmer in your mind. Instead of rushing through subjects, give yourself the time to deeply understand and absorb the material. Break down complex topics into smaller parts and let them cook slowly over time, allowing the knowledge to become fully integrated into your understanding. Layering flavors, building knowledge, step by step. Just as a complex dish is built layer by layer, your study sessions should build knowledge in a similar manner. Start with a base layer of fundamental concepts, then add layers of more detailed information. Each session should build upon the last, creating a rich, full understanding of the subject, just like a beautifully layered cake. Taste testing, the importance of review and self-assessment. Chefs often taste their dishes throughout the cooking process to ensure the flavor is just right. In your studies, regularly taste test your knowledge through quizzes, practice exams, and flashcards. This self-assessment helps you identify areas that need more seasoning or concepts that are perfectly understood, allowing you to adjust your study recipe accordingly. Plating up, presenting your knowledge. The final step in cooking is plating up your dish in an appealing way. Similarly, the way you present your knowledge during exams or presentations is crucial. Practice organizing your thoughts and presenting information clearly and concisely, just as you would arrange a dish to be visually appealing. This not only helps in assessments, but also in retaining the information for future use. The feast of success. By blending the art of culinary preparation with your study habits, you're not just preparing for exams. You're crafting a feast of knowledge that's both satisfying and delightful. Each study session becomes a step in preparing a gourmet meal, where the end result is not just good grades, but a deeper, more flavorful understanding of your subjects. So, culinary friends and study chefs, let's embrace the joy of cooking and the satisfaction of learning as we create our masterpiece of academic achievement. Bon appétit and happy studying!